Hi everybody, good morning. It's Kerrie Scroggins. Hope this message finds you well. The reason for my message today is I have a very important announcement for the week of August the 15th, Monday through Friday, August the 19th, for the entire week. I am dealing with a very serious family crisis, and I will be out of the office that entire week working remotely. So I will not have access to my phone system during the day. So my national office, which is based in Denver, is going to be processing all of my inbound phone calls for me. The name of that company is Premier Group Insurance. I'm sure over the last few years, in the documentation that I send you, you have seen that name on your paperwork. PGI is the abbreviation. And so that is the national group that I belong to. That's how I can provide you with such great rates. It's a national group, and so they are my partner. And so during that week, my phones are going to be forwarded to them. This is to ensure that I don't miss any of your phone calls. It's really important for me since it's just me in the office right now, and I do have to be out of town and I do have to work remotely. I don't want to miss any of your phone calls. So to ensure that, my phones are going to be answered by PGI, and that's with normal business hours, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's when the phone lines are open. So when you call in and you have a request or you need documentation or whatever the situation is, they will take that information and they will forward it to me via email. Now during that week I will be working through the day, I just won't have access to the telephone. So when they send me that information, I will be able to work through the day and provide the documents that you need or whatever the situation is that arises. If you need a return phone call, then I'm going to try to set aside a couple of hours in the late afternoon or early evening to get back with you and return those messages. This is a extremely stressful time, and it is something that unfortunately I have to do, and it is a crisis within my extended family, and so I just want to ensure that nothing falls through the crack during that week, and so that's why I have enlisted their help to ensure that no messages are missed along the way during that week. I do apologize up front if it causes you any inconvenience. It's just, unfortunately, I don't have a choice, and it is something that I must do for my family, and I would ask your understanding, and I would also ask that you keep me and my family in your prayers during this very stressful and difficult time. And there may be other times moving forward that I have to do this. It's just an unfortunate situation, and as a small business owner, sometimes these things happen, but fortunately I have a great support system, and that's why I'm part of this association. So in these circumstances, if I do need the additional support, they are there and willing to make sure that you as my customers are taken care of and things don't fall through the crack. So just to recap, you just call the main numbers like you would normally, the 817-374-4477 or 832-391-8271. Call the number like you would normally. They will be answered by PGI. They will take all your information and your request, and then they will get it to me, and then I will work as diligently and as quickly as I can to get out the documents or whatever it is that you need a return phone call. Maybe a little bit of a lag just because there's another step here, but hopefully that won't be an issue and I can get your servicing work done that you need. Again, this is Monday, August the 15th for the entire week through Friday, August the 19th, and then I'll be back in the office on that following week with normal operating. And I do appreciate you very much. I thank you for your loyalty and your patronage here at KDS Insurance Services. I'm just a small business owner, and your loyalty does mean so much to me, and I appreciate it very much. It does not, I don't miss that, and I just want you to know that I'm doing everything I can to ensure that during this time, your requests and your needs are not, they don't fall through the cracks during this week. So, thank you very much. I hope you're having a wonderful summer. Anything that is pending now will completely be done by that time. So if you have requotes or service requests or other items that are pending, all of that will be taken care of and up to date by that Friday before, which that would be the 12th. So everything will be up to date and completed by then. So if you have requests that you're thinking about or you're going to need in the next 2 weeks, please get with me so I can make sure that I have those out to you before that week starts. So thank you again. God bless. Take care. The summer is almost over. We're headed into fall. I know all of us will be so glad to get out of this heat wave. It's been a very long, hot summer. I hope you're well. I know I've had lots of messages from my clients where a lot of you have had COVID. I hope that you are feeling better and recovering, and if there's anything that we can do for you here at KDS Insurance Services, please reach out to me and let me know. And have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. God bless.